homemade strawberry syrup. This is absolutely amazing stuff. You can use this for pancakes, you can use it for waffles, you can use it in mixed drinks for flavorings. We're actually going to use it on our homemade Instant Pot cheesecake. Yep, Instant Pot cheesecake. That's what we're using it for, but let's get to the recipe. So you're going to need 4 cups of water, you're going to need 4 cups of cleaned cut strawberries, and you're going to need 2 cups of sugar. We start out by adding the strawberries right into the water. We're going to get these on the stove and bring them to a boil. Once they boil, we're going to reduce to medium heat and cook for about 20 more minutes, skimming any kind of foam on the top. So let's get these going. Alrighty, so these are boiling. You can see they're starting to lose their color already because we're cooking the color and the flavor right out of them. So we're going to turn this down to medium heat and cook them for about another 20 minutes. Alright, so our strawberries are done cooking for the 20 minutes. Now we're just going to strain them into a different pot. Now look at the strawberries, how we basically cooked all the color out of them. Now at this point you're going to want to be tempted to squeeze juice out of there. Do not squeeze the juice out of there, because if you do, your syrup will be cloudy. We don't want it cloudy. So basically, we're going to discard these strawberries. All we care about is this liquid. Look how nice and clear that is at this point. So what we're going to do is we're going to add 2 cups of sugar. Kind of mix this a little bit. And then we're going to get this back on the heat. And we're going to stir it almost constantly. We want to make sure that this sugar all dissolves. And we want to stir it constantly because we don't want it to burn. Now we're going to put this on about medium heat and bring it to a boil. Like I said, stirring almost constantly. Alright, our strawberry syrup's boiling. We're going to turn this back to low to medium just to keep it simmering for about 5 minutes. If you want it thicker, then leave it on just a little bit longer and it'll cook down and evaporate. A little bit of the water will evaporate and it'll get thicker. We're going to let this go for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to let it cool. Alright, so our strawberry syrup is nice and cool. We're just going to pour it off into a glass container. Look how nice and clear and beautiful that looks. I don't want to miss out on any of this goodness. So we're just going to scrape this down here. Look at that. That is so nice. Crystal clear, beautiful looking strawberry syrup. So like I said, we're going to put this on our cheesecake. But you can use this for anything. Pancakes, waffles, pretty much anything you can use strawberry syrup for. So I'm going to taste this. Oh wow. That stuff is amazing. Just pure strawberry flavor right there. I hope you like this video. Click the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that notification bell. You'll get notification when I post new videos. Thanks for stopping. Let me get some of this on some cheesecake and enjoy the heck out of that. Thanks.